Menteri Rangba Ukonrat ke Sangma mentakasngi ula pelat ke installment beningkong jong ka umbrella post matric scholarship la ke benta ke Samla Pule schedule tribe jong snem Pule arajar arpusan arajar arpun riu ha ke program ke belepelong ha Shillong College ha ke jingadon lang Menteri ke tanat Pule puthi ba la ke menremboi. Na kebenta uni usnam Pule, kendai pun riwajar praspa kat artli ki application nagi Samla Pule SD na keleng ke Meghalaya la depan pensisha. Da ke jingmang penlut baro lang bakot shispa kendai pupra poin sau pu ar kelur tingka. Ke Ministry of Tribal Affairs ke Sorkar India kala paktin ya ke bahak ke Sorkar Peding ba prapusau poin san kelur tingka bat ke Sorkar Jela kala pelat 10% ke bahak jongka kendai poin sau pau kelur tingka ban pentikena bekenum don kecing penslam. Baru alang kendai pulai poin rius pak kendai pupra kelur tingka la pelat kum ke installment beningkong syaki kendai pun riu hajar praspa kat arngut kinong yok benta na barok ki district ling ba ke direct benefit transfer bet syaki bank account jeng ki Samla Pule. Habakren ke jing yalang Menteri Rangba ulong begini ke jing pelat kalong kam palat ya ke pisah. Kadai ke bai school ke ban siu ke por babiang kadai ke bai hostel bakanum tenrong ya ke jingket ke long yeng long sem kadai ke kot bat tiar Pule ke bagi Samla Pule kim don kam syuban kuslai bikin yo bat kadai ke buram bajar-jar jung ki Samla shinrang bat kentai ki bala abakat du bikin pelit jingmut ha ke jing Pule. Menteri Rangba ula batai ke jing slam bakarukam penyat temai ke pisah syaki Samla Pule rengkat ke jing long basyai. Ulo ong bagi senam belalej, ke jing pelat pisah na ke Sorkar India ke jus lembha. Haus senam belala ke Sorkar Jela kala pelat lupai ke pisah syua ke Christmas nala ke jong ke pelatingka, bat hadin kala penbet yaka na ke pisah bapa ke Sorkar Peding. Mentau senam, ke Finance Ministry ke Sorkar India kala penteri kami ke Single Nodal Agency SNA bertemai ban pelat ke pisah ke por ke bebiang. Hapok ke SNA, kepisah ke Mwansyu, syaka Ministry, Lenisha ke Sorkar Jela. Hadin bala pendep ikikot ke Selaban pensisha ke Jela, ke Reserve Bank of India RBI, ke lapha bet-bet ya kepisah syaka akaun jengki Samla Pule. Mensyua ke Ministry ke Jusiu pat hadin ningi. Mental ladang ai advance syapi, ke RBI kan pha bet-bet ya kepisah syapi, pinyo arsya. Kumta ke jing ai advance jonga ke lekut no. Henry ke lenti thamai ke lepli ban ai bet-bet ya kepisah syapi laong Menteri Rangba. Ngila pendon kam ya ke jing penbor sain perthai ban pentikena baya ke installment beningkong basau pau persen la pelat nyok mardor. Kini ke digesngi bagi pelat mentah kesngi. Ke RBI ke lekular ban pendep ya ke kam haduk sansngi ke babun Menteri Rangba ula kentui ke Samla bikim day ban kuslai lada ke SMS kam 41 mentah kesngi. Haba penpau bagi kam kidang syu sedang mentah kesngi da ke jingnyon ya ubudam watlah ke jingdon ke syuti jong ke raksha bandan la singi satjan bat sengi ublay. Menteri Rangba ula ai ke Khubor syaki kat pralak ke Samla bahapo arpau senem hapo ke Jela. Ula ong bandalor ki kerdan Pule bagi sabtri kam kabedon kam ki beriu kadai ke jingla ban syim ya ke jingket klia ban pendep ya ki kam. Menteri Rangba ula pentip bagi National Scholarship Portal jong senem arjar arpun riu arjar arpun yau kala pli hakalai terik naitung arjar arpun riu bat kan yai pli hadu kalai pau terik nai wing arjar arpun riu. Na kebenta ki pri bat post matric scholarship jong ki Samla Pule SD. Labetha iki ofisar bikin sedang nok ban pensisha bat ban mang pisa nok kam kloi kenang ban kiar ya kejing penslam. Ula airu kejing kular baka sorkar kan sebut din ya kejing penlat no eka bahak basa jong ke sorkar peding bat ke CM scholarship kam kloi kat bala.
I also request our principal to express our gratitude to our guest of honor, the Honorable Minister in charge of the Education and Education. Please give her a round of applause. Government of Meghalaya. Of our appreciation. Academic and Student Welfare, Dr. H. K. Dog, to kindly honor our esteemed guest.
Samla will fulfill one of the responsibility to see that every student should get an opportunity, every student should receive what they are due to them. I'm very thankful to you, sir, to your constant initiative that this beautiful thing could happen. Our Chief Secretary.
So with this, I'm very happy to officially launch the scholarship and ensure that the process of transfer of the scholarship begins. Thank you so much. Beneficiaries will be receiving 93 crores. Okay, let's just close that. So anyway, 93 crores. And for the last 8 years, and I keep giving this analogy to everybody I speak to. So education department is like a, like the wires of your headphones or the different strings that are all jumbled up together. And your natural instinct is to pull and hope that everything just falls into place. And that's what you would do. Suddenly you would pull it, only to realize that you are actually complicating the problem even more. And so the only way to resolve the problem is to take this bunch of knots and untie them one by one. Which requires a lot of patience, which requires a lot of concentration, and which requires the other people watching this knot being this bundle of knots being unknotted and saying, "What are you doing? Do it fast." And that's precisely what the education sector has been for us for the last 8 years. But as correctly mentioned by Honorable Minister in his speech, we are on the right path. We have started to take steps which are meaningful, which are decisive, which are rectifying foundational challenges and problems that existed in the education system. And today being able to structure it in a manner and then allow the system to flow so that slowly and steadily things fall into place. And when I talk like that, I know for some of you it may just sound like a really boring speech. But some of us who are in the education sector can understand what I'm talking about. And they will agree with me when I tell them that all of us who have been working on this, untangling these knots, can see what will happen in the next 5 years from now. I can see it. I can literally, vision what's going to happen in 5 years. I can see the next 10 years. I can see what's going to happen for the PGI. I can see what's going to happen when it comes to our teacher ratios. I can see what's going to happen when it comes to our science education, our higher secondary education. I can see how the colleges and higher technical education is going to go up, and I can foresee where we are going to go forward because we have laid those foundations now. We have untangled those knots. We have changed the structural problems that were there in the system to allow now the system to move in the right direction. And it's been a long journey. I don't want to get into, what the problems were. But I do take this moment to really put my sense of appreciation and gratitude to all the people who have put in hours and hours, gone through the pressure of different stakeholders coming in and demanding different things. And one pulling you from this side, the other pulling you from this side. Yet staying focused on what we are supposed to do and moving forward. Details took some time. We resolved those details, and that's how last year we were able to release your money before Christmas based on state government giving the money. And I was very hopeful that that would be now the practice for the next many, many years to come. But then suddenly, Government of India decided to change its working system. And Finance Ministry, Government of India came with new rules. And those rules were that Government of India will no longer sanction the money and give it to the ministry, and the ministry will then further give it to us. Because there is a time gap. And the interest payments and the money that lies, because money is also time. Time is also money. So, in order to be able to, and when you deal in hundreds and thousands and lakhs of crores, even one day interest of the money lying in the bank is huge. So I'm trying to give you the picture of Government of India. So Government of India Finance Ministry decided we will do real-time transaction. Because sometimes some states, they take the money, keep it for 10 days, and then after 10 days they release. So that 10 days is like, 20 crores of interest, which the RBI or the Government of India could save. Anyway, that's the financial part. So, government introduced SNA Sparsh, which is a mechanism through which now Government of India, the RBI, that means the Reserve Bank of India, releases money straight to you. The money does not come into the ministry, nor does it come to us. The paperwork happens through us, but the money, as soon as the details are given by the ministry and by the state government to RBI, the RBI starts to transfer the funds to you directly. So, my plan to give money in advance to you once again met with a challenge. Because earlier, the ministry would then give back the money to me. Now, if I give advance to you, RBI also will fund directly to you. That means you will get double, which is a good thing for you, but not a great thing for me. So, that is the problem we are facing from this financial year. The RBI, the system that they are putting into place, may take 4 to 5 to 6 working days for some cases. So therefore, I'm putting a caveat right now that we are, the funds have been, rather the names have been given, the entire process has been completed, RBI is starting the process. So please don't put any messages on my social media saying, sir, I have not received the money yet. Okay? I'm telling you now only that yes, you will not receive. Maybe some of you will, some of you may not. Because it is going to take maybe 5 working days plus minus, because there are 96,000 accounts. And RBI is now processing. It's not like our state where we had all the system ready. RBI is giving this SNA Sparsh for thousands of accounts, for thousands of schemes to many, many states in the country. So hence this process is going to be tedious, but we have got an assurance from RBI that they're looking at maximum of 5 days. So I am giving you that heads up right now, so that none of you have any reason to blame or complain to me later.
Okay, I'm just...
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice meeting
Even
you
though I
too.
cannot see your face, but I can hear your voice.
Thank you, thank you.
I have studied here for this. I'm very excited.
Great.
It's very happy.
I'm just going to put
It's a great opportunity. I I really lost. I said, I really want to hear. I really want to touch the chief minister of Meghalaya. Even though I cannot see him, but I really want to how he is tall or short. So
I'm not that tall. Come, I'll just record a video, okay? You all be. I'll just say hi, okay? So all of them Shillong. Okay. Let me just. Okay, here we go. Guys, I'm right now in Shillong College with all the students out here. Everybody say hi. Great. So thank you so much and wish you all the very best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I really, I used to listen in my phone your voice when you speak in assembly. Yes, I really appreciate it, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. God bless.
Thank you.
And you will be able to lead us for the next step.